Okay, so now we're going to follow up that awesome. Gus and I, Gus and myself, or Colonel Sanders, depending on the situation, are going to solve Rubik's Cube. And we are going to do a best 2 out of 3 race. This is kind of turned into like an epic battle. It's kind of a long-standing thing. I'm currently in the lead.
Oh, I don't know about that. Last year I won at the show. And this year at Ambassadors Night Live, we won by 2 seconds. It was
but it was fair match. So we get to do yet another best 2 out of 3 match.
Mix each other's up.
Gotta
Make sure no one's cheating. No, cheating on yourself. I feel like I'm cheating when it's that.
Thus, cheating is encouraged in Rubik's Cube tests.
I think you told me about this before. Okay. Ready, Drew? Set, go. On go!
Okay, where are you solving first? I'm going to solve yellow first, because that's what I do best. Gus, okay, on your marks, get set, go. Hey, so Gus, where are you from? Are you
Well,
still from It seemed like you were very proud when you told everyone you were from Watertown.
Yes. I just want to give Watertown a break for once. I mean, they have no other good students coming to this.
Gus, are you falling hard under pressure?
No, Drew.
Gus, I feel like you're getting pretty jittery. You're calm for some
I've never solved a Rubik's Cube. Like, I try. I've never done it.
Okay. Final race. The crowd is encouraged to cheer every now and again. Cheer a little. This is not looking good for me. This is really bad. Trying to psych me out.
That's a world-class tie. Woo!
Now that we're done with that, maybe you can come go with me and we can go see who can bench more at the gym.